Yo, what's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be about how I use AI to make complex clothing pieces. In the last video, I was showing off some tees and a Henley that I made using AI, and they're pretty simple, just some graphics, vintage wash, distressing. But I've been using Tchpack to actually make some hard shit, and it's been really fun, really easy, and I'm going to show you the whole process and how you could do it too for your own brand. So just some background history. I'm not specifically a clothing brand designer. I used to cook up graphics, logos, whatever I can as a kid, but then I switched over to web development design, app development design, and Tchpack actually made it a lot more fun to design clothes. So I've been learning along the way. I'm not gonna lie, I've been kind of getting nice with it. As you can tell, I'm trying to bring some more energy to these videos. I'm trying to lock in on YouTube a lot. Just some updates for the channel. I'm working with another smaller brand owner to get a video out. Just take a look at their pieces, their process, and everything that they've been doing. And if there's any other videos you guys want to see, just leave a comment down below. I'll definitely be thinking of more content to come out with and try to get these videos out ASAP. We got a pretty big week ahead of us. We're going to be meeting with a lot of manufacturers, so that's going to be dope. And yeah, let's just hop over to the computer and I'll show you everything. Boom. Okay, so here we are in Illustrator. This is just one of the pieces I've been cooking up recently. It's basically like a pullover smock. I got the idea from like a World War II like pullover smock. I saw it online, like just like looking for inspiration, and it looked pretty sick. So like I would want like this hood like basically connected behind, like it would be like a little bit different maybe here, but yeah, like it would be behind the laces here too. But I would like I added like this pocket, these two pockets right here, the stitch right across like the front, and then this is the back side. Just added a stitch down the middle, stitching on the sleeves as well. And it seems pretty simple, but it's mainly focused on like the design and the fit and the material that it's going to be using. I'm going to be using like 100% treated cotton canvas. I wanted to keep it pretty simple, no logos on this one. I was thinking about adding a logo. Here, I'll show one that I cooked up. And actually, I'll show you another piece too. But yeah, this is one of the logos that I cooked up. The World to Come, Side Effect, Department of Consequences. Logo in the middle, shit like that. But yeah, I wanted to add it somewhere here, but I think this is honestly good. Maybe I'll add some stuff. I think I wanted to add some like lacing down the sides. That would be pretty cool. And the sleeves like wouldn't be cuffed. Like it would be like a pretty like not like straight fit, but yeah, I mean I'm still developing it. I think it's pretty sick. Tchpack helped out with all this. Just generated the mock-up, the front and back, and then any components like yeah, like I was working with the sleeves before, but I think I lost the file. But yeah, generated all the pockets. I even had like the strings on the side, but again, I lost some of the stuff. But here's also another pair of pants that I've been working on. I really like these pants a lot, and I'm kind of just playing around with the design right now. I wanted to do like a couple stitching right here, like on the knees. Do like my embroidered logo in the back, like this is where I was gonna add it on the back pocket, and then maybe like a red stitch down the pocket too, like just something to stand out. I had the star before, but that just, I don't know, it didn't really fit. But I kind of like these. Maybe, I don't know, not red, maybe something else, and maybe I'll add something to the front. But so far, that's kind of just like the pieces that I've been working on. Those pants are actually made out of 92% cotton and 8% rubber. So I want them to have like a long straight leg that like stacks like perfectly. I think like, again, like the fit is one of like the main things here. I definitely want it to like sit very nice like on the legs. Yeah, it's basically a 92% cotton with 8% rubber, medium weight, twill fabric with just like a coating on top. So it's like a little bit of stretch on it too, but yeah, this is definitely gonna take some time to actually like work out. I'm gonna make the Tchpack with this too. Aria could help out OD with that, but that's basically like what I've been working on. Just these two for now. I definitely want to cook up some more complex designs. I think these are a good start, especially for me since I'm not specifically a clothing brand designer, like I said before. I also added like these rivets in the pockets. But yeah, I'll show you guys how you could do the same exact thing too. I'll come up with the piece right now and we'll get started. Okay, so I was just looking around a little bit and I found this like military type of sweater. I got the mock-up. I got two versions of it. So Tchpack has auto, just uses like the photo angle, and it's sometimes a little bit more detailed. Like this one added like some of the stripes and whatever, and then if you just use front, back, left, right, whatever, it's basically like a general like silhouette. I kind of like this because you could play around with it more, and you could add lines if you want, different like materials you can make it look like whatever. But I also had this idea for basically like a neck type of like closure. I generated this component as well in Tchpack. I just added a picture of one. I was like, give me the neck closure with all stuff on it, have it facing forward. And then I kind of just like removed like the bottom stuff of it. But I was thinking maybe like right inside, you know what I'm saying? Or maybe like on the outside it would sit. Let me see. Yeah, so like, I don't know, it sits something like that, but let me cook up real quick. Let me see if I can get it to look right, and I'll come back to you guys real quick. All right, so we back. It's not the cleanest design, but this is what I kind of came up with. Basically, like this like little neck holder would sit inside the sweater, and the sweater would just be like a navy blue. And honestly, I kind of like the patches just being white or something like that. Maybe add like a logo, but I mean, I did this super quick just for the video wise, but you know what I'm saying? Like you could fuck around, do really anything you want. And you could also generate like the back version, whatever, like side view, stuff like that. And yeah, I mean, from there, I would really just start building out Tchpack, do some research on like what type of materials you want. Because like, I found like the photos online, so you could definitely just give them to Arya and be like, can you just research this product, find something similar, and it'll give you all the details like that you need for this type of sweater. It'll ask you if you want to adjust anything or just basically whatever you want to do. And yeah, I mean, that's really it. It's kind of simple. This is just a quick video to just show you like how you could actually make like more complex pieces. Again, I'm not the best and I'm still learning, but I think starting to get the hang of it. I mean, this is like a cool concept. Maybe I could develop it a little bit more. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Definitely gonna just keep trying to be on the YouTube grind, figure out things that I could upload for you guys, and just, yeah, any tutorials. If you guys want to see anything, just let me know in the comments. Yeah, peace out.